Hello, do you have a fear of driving big cars? Well, if you do, this video is going to help you because I'm going to explain why that is and perhaps more importantly, why it isn't. Now, if you look at the vehicles around me now, some people will consider the van in front to be a big car, that 4x4 coming towards me in front of the van. Some people will call that a big car, whereas other people would think, well, it's just the same as any other. So why is it that you have this thing about driving big cars or big vehicles in general? Well, it's absolutely nothing to do with the size of the vehicle. That's where most people go wrong, because I think, well, it's only a problem when I'm driving bigger vehicles, therefore it's the size of the vehicle that's causing the problem. The size of the vehicle has nothing to do with it. That is not the issue. If you go to a driving instructor to help you with this, they'll often do things like teach you how to judge distances better, how to judge the width of your vehicle, and they'll be pointing at their arms around saying, line up this with the curb, and some people I've known put stickers in the windscreen, line up that sticker with the curb, and whenever you see this thing, this mirror must be over the white line, whatever, none of that is going to help, because all that's doing is covering up the symptom. You're not actually fixing the real problem. So what is the real problem when it comes to driving bigger cars? Well, as we said, it's nothing to do with the size of the car. The problem is that something about that situation that you are in is firing off something in your mind which has just got things a bit wrong. You see, we've all got two parts to our mind. There is the conscious part and then the subconscious or unconscious part. And if you go trying to fix the problem in the conscious mind, you'll get nowhere, because the problem does not exist in a conscious mind. You know that it makes no sense to have a fear of driving a big car. Like, I know now that there's nothing to be scared of going into this tunnel, but some people would be terrified by this. Why? Well, it doesn't really matter what the problem is in terms of driving. It's the same thing. You see, the problem lives in your subconscious mind. So anytime you're learning to position your car differently, or line up this with that, or do this and that, it's never going to do anything apart from slightly cover up the symptom, which won't fix the problem. You need to get to the root cause of the problem, which lives in your subconscious or unconscious mind. This is why what I do with hypnosis is so powerful, because you see, there are other modalities, what we call these modalities, things such as CBT, counselling, and they all work on the conscious mind, and that's why they fail, because it goes on and on and on, and people say you need 10 sessions, 12 sessions, 20 sessions. Somebody came to me the other week and said, I've had 20 sessions of CBT, and I said, do you think that's going to work? And then I often fix the problem in one session or 2 sessions. It's not always about fixing it as fast as you can, but the point of this is the problem exists in your subconscious mind. So you are wasting your time doing driving lessons, anything to do with driving, the practical side of going out. And if you've looked up things like affirmations, and people listen to these stupid audio tracks where people say, you feel safe when you're driving, and then there's a bit of music goes bling 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 bling, you feel safe when driving, bling 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 bling, you feel safe. What a load of rubbish. That is never going to fix the problem. Right, when you know about these things, it's funny how you look back to a time when I wasn't a professional therapist, and I used to believe all that rubbish too. There's quite a big car there coming towards me, and another. And I used to really believe in this stuff like subliminal messaging. It's all a load of rubbish. None of that stuff does anything. Right, if you want to fix the problem, what you need to do is go into your subconscious or unconscious mind, and that will tell you what the cause is. You don't even need to actually know, and you often won't know consciously. Even when you fixed it, you won't know what the problem was actually caused by. All you'll know is that the problem is gone, and I'll be talking more about that in a video soon, about how it feels when the problem goes. So if you want to contact me for a free consultation, and I work with people all over the world, because many people ask me, I live in America, can you help me? Yes, doesn't matter where you are, I work worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, if you want help with your driving problem, driving big cars, or anything else, a fear of bridges, fear of driving at night, fear of driving alone, whatever it is, just contact me for a free consultation and I'll go over how I can help you. So contact me for that. Check out these other videos that I've made, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.